For this activity, we are going to be doing an artist and critic activity. So my name is the artist. I'm going to make a value scale. And then after I make my value scale, I'm going to hand my paper to my partner, and they will be the critic. And they are going to score how I do on the value scale. So I'm going to do a value scale in soft pastels and oil pastels. And you can see the rubric on the back. You want to use warm colors, a neutral in the center, and then cool colors for your dark. So I'm going to start off with yellow for my cool color. So I'm barely going to put any yellow on my first value because that needs to be the lightest. The next value, I'm going to do a yellow orange. I'm going to press a little bit harder. I'm going to layer orange on top. I'm going to blend it just a little bit. And that excess dust I can just tap off on the floor or the garbage can. And now I'm going to pick a pink for my next value. So I'm going to press a little bit harder. I want it to be darker. For my medium value, I need to pick a neutral. So I could either do gray or brown. I'm going to pick brown. And you want this to be even darker. So I'm going to press harder. Blend it just a little bit. Tap off any extra. Now I need to use cool colors on this side. So I'm going to pick purple next. And my purple could have a little bit of blue mixed in to make it darker if I want. Or I could add a little bit of brown to it to make it a little darker. I'm going to try that. My purple, and then I'm going to try a blue for my next color. And for my last one, I'm going to do blue plus black because I want that to be my darkest value. So I'm going to color this one blue and then add a little bit of black to it. So there is my value scale with the soft pastels. Now I'm going to do the oil pastels. Again, your lightest colors, you need to have warm colors. So I'm going to do a very light pressure yellow. The next one I'm going to press a little bit harder, and I'm going to mix yellow and orange. The next one I'm going to do orange and red. And for my medium value, I could do brown or gray, and I'm going to choose brown again. And I'm going to stick with the same palette. I'm going to do purple next. Pressing harder because I want my color darker. The next one, I'm going to do blue. And then the very last one, I'm going to do blue plus black. Now my partner needs to evaluate me and use the word bank and score me and whether they think I got a 1, 2, 3, or 4, 4 being the best. Good luck.